What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Harmo back with another freaking video. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Today I will be reviewing an Amazon wig. This is a braided wig. Y'all can see the goodies. This is the package it came in. This is the wig. Yeah, it's a zipper bag. So boom. I'm gonna tell y'all the description. Look at the boxes. Okay. Get into it. And it's pretty long. Came with 2 wig caps, hair charms, and some lashes. Okay, before I start the video, I am going to let y'all know what's the name of the wig and all that good stuff. This will be in the link in my description if y'all interested in this wig. It's also going to be on my Amazon storefront by the time this video uploads. So this is Lexqui store. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. But it's a full 36-inch lace, HD lace. And they're supposed to be like butterfly braids. Y'all remember that butterfly braid trend? It's like that. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to just start with the cap already on my head because y'all know how to do that. I'm not going to be doing a ball cap method today. Okay, so this is just like me trying to give y'all the inside view. They had combs and an elastic band in the back for adjusting to your head shape so it can be tight and right. Period. The boxes look very nice and natural. And yeah, that's how it looks. So boom, the first thing I'm going to do is put makeup inside the wig so it can match my skin tone. I'm using cream foundation. I think that's what it's called. At first I was using one that was close to my skin tone and maybe like a shade darker so it can match my forehead. This is me showing y'all the adjustable elastic band. It was real good and sturdy. So I went ahead and plopped it on so I can get a feel on how I should go about this install so I can make it look as natural as possible. I was shocked. I did not realize how see-through this lace was. It's HD for real, very transparent. So you know it's gonna give me a natural look.
This lace is
so this is how I decided that I was gonna put makeup on my actual wig cap so I can get a natural skin tone. This lace is giving. So I'm picking up the makeup sponge that I was using and I'm putting it on the top as well so it could just blend more.
This is a good wig. I'm sorry, I was not expecting this. But I haven't even put nothing on it for real. That's so crazy to me. Like, period.
Your girl was already feeling herself, so I'm trying to give y'all 360 so I can get a length check. This is like waist length. It's very long and luscious, period.
This is gonna be my wig for track season, and it's 360. I can put it in a ponytail and everything. Wow.
Off camera, I put makeup on my wig cap, and this is me putting some on the top of the lace one more time. I used the boho lace jelly because I wanted to do a glueless method. Yeah. So this is me applying the jelly along the hairline, you could say. And then I lift the edges up and put some under the edges as well so it can stick to my forehead completely. Now I'm putting an elastic band so I can let the jelly dry so it can actually stick to my head. So now we wait. I'll be back. Give me a second, y'all.
Y'all, this hair is good. Like, it's really nice. The only thing that looks peculiar are the ends,
but they don't even look raggedy. They look nice, and it's not tangled. The hair's super soft, and it doesn't have a stench. The lace is super good. I wish I had time to do the ball cap method. Y'all will be seeing this wig again, and I'm gonna reinstall it. But right now, this is a glueless method. I'm using a boho lace jelly. Yeah. So what I just did was I put it along my hairline, and I'm letting it dry right now. Then I'm going to cut the lace, do the edges, and show y'all the final look. Period. I'll be back. Okay, now I'm cutting this lace. I split it down the middle, then I do each side by itself with some scissors.
Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh. I get you home by a decent time.
Now I'm taking a different kind of foundation, and I'm going over it once more so it can match my forehead this time and look like I got my hair braided at the hair salon. It's edges time. I took some of the lace jelly and I started swooping these edges like I would do on my actual hair. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna have to do this off camera. And just like that, I'm back, and it looks very nice and natural. Period. Get into it. The only reason why it's a hump in the back is because my hair was not braided down. My hair was in a low ponytail, so ignore that. But other than that, with my twin, we be vibing. Y'all, I actually look like I got my hair done. Yes, I was sitting in the chair for hours. Yes, I got these little braids, and they kind of long. Period. Get into it. I like it though, for real. So if y'all like these braids, make sure I use the link in my description box down below. It's on my Amazon storefront, so check them out. It was fast shipping. We'll do all the details, gonna be in the description box. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you would purchase this wig. And the next video I do with this wig is gonna be me styling this wig. You know what I'm saying? Like different styles with a braided wig. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, rate this wig 1 through 10. This is a glueless install. Once again, I used the boho lace jelly. Period. If y'all need a quick wig for vacation or something, this would be super cute because it looks very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have some clips, maybe not, I don't know, with this wig on. I'll catch y'all next time, and I'm out. Bye, guys.
So what should I do? I'ma give me a bit that look like you. When you walk, but when you walk the way you move, ain't no secret.